Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are enjoying the Enhance Your Vocabulary series with me. So, if you are an English language learner or if you are preparing for some competitive exams, board exams, where you have English as a subject, you can go through these videos and add on words in your vocabulary list. The word in today's Enhance Your Vocabulary series is breeze. Breeze is a noun. It means a light wind, a soft wind. Example, a warm breeze blew from the south. Breeze can also be used as a verb. Verbs, as you all know, are doing words. And we can also change the form of the verb. So, breeze can be changed into past tense by adding ed. Example, she breezed out of the room without a backward glance. Now, breeze here as a verb means moving in a carefree manner, gliding, sweeping. So, she breezed, she glided out of the room without a backward glance in a carefree manner. The adjective for the word breeze is gusty, windy. Example, it is breezy out on deck today. Other synonyms for the word breezy as an adjective are lively, cheerful, vivacious, energetic. The example can be, the speaker's short and breezy talk cheered up the audience. The antonyms for the word breeze as an adjective are sad, depressed, unspirited, and calm. I hope this helps. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.